Have you started making matcha at home only to end up with clumps, weak foam, or a setup that just doesn't feel special? A lot of beginners quickly realize that the experience depends just as much on the tools as it does on the tea itself. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Buucup Blue Matcha Set to see whether it's actually worth buying or if it's simply another pretty tea kit. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Designed for beginners, matcha enthusiasts, and anyone who enjoys creating relaxing daily rituals, the Buucup Blue Matcha Set offers everything you need to prepare authentic style matcha at home. Instead of buying each accessory separately, this complete 7-piece kit bundles together the essential tools in one coordinated package. Whether you're just discovering ceremonial matcha or upgrading from basic accessories, it promises to make the process both easier and more enjoyable. The first thing you'll notice is the presentation. Inspired by spring cherry blossoms, the ceramic bowl has a handcrafted appearance with a beautiful wave-shaped rim that immediately gives it a premium feel. The soft blue finish, combined with delicate floral accents, creates a calming aesthetic that looks just as nice displayed on a kitchen shelf as it does during your morning tea routine. The included bamboo whisk, scoop, whisk holder, stainless steel sifter, tea towel, and handbook all match the overall theme nicely, making the set feel thoughtfully designed rather than randomly assembled. Performance is where this kit delivers the experience many beginners are looking for. The combination of the fine bamboo whisk and included sifter makes it much easier to produce smooth, creamy matcha with a light layer of foam. Even if you've never prepared matcha before, the process feels surprisingly approachable. The generous 18-ounce ceramic bowl provides enough room to whisk comfortably without worrying about spills, and it's equally suitable for traditional matcha, hojicha, matcha lattes, or other tea-based drinks. The included handbook also gives newcomers a helpful starting point, making the learning curve much less intimidating. One of the nicest aspects of this set is how naturally it fits into everyday life. Preparing a cup of matcha becomes less of a chore and more of a relaxing morning ritual. Cleanup is simple since the ceramic bowl is both dishwasher safe and microwave safe, while the bamboo accessories only require a quick hand wash and proper air drying. Because everything has its place, storing the kit between uses is also convenient, helping keep your countertop neat and organized. Of course, no product is perfect. While the ceramic bowl is durable, bamboo accessories naturally require a bit more care than metal alternatives. You'll also want to avoid leaving the whisk wet for extended periods to maximize its lifespan. And if you're already an experienced tea ceremony practitioner, you may eventually invest in higher-end handcrafted tools. However, for most beginners and casual matcha drinkers, these are fairly minor compromises. Compared with similarly priced matcha starter kits, the Buucup Blue Matcha Set stands out because of its attractive design, complete accessory package, and attention to detail. Some competing kits may include fewer accessories or lower-quality ceramic bowls. While this set balances presentation, functionality, and everyday usability quite well. It also makes an excellent gift thanks to its thoughtful packaging and elegant appearance. If you'd like to check the latest price and availability, you'll find a product link right below in the description. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews, tea accessories, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.